What's up? Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest, Desi. You guys will know her from such videos as shopping at Target and what else?
Shopping at Target again.
Literally all my shopping at Target vlogs. Is there videos called Turning My Best Friend Into Me? There is, isn't there?
Probably.
I think. I know for sure there's like copying so-and-so's Instagram for a week. It's kind of a mixed combo of both of those ideas. So I'm gonna turn Desi into me, but I also wanna recreate an Instagram photo that I recently posted on my Instagram. So we're gonna go out there, vlog it, take photos in the same spot and see how well we can recreate the look. So, are you excited?
It's gonna be
Our
funny.
makeup is like very similar.
To begin with anyway, yeah. The only makeup difference is gonna be brows.
Yeah, I'm excited to get my hands on those brows. Okay, let's do this! The Kat Von D Lock-It. This is the Hydrating Primer Base. Can I just use my fingers? You just put it on. We're gonna use the Benefit Hello Happy Foundation. I don't know how much foundation I need for you, so I'm just gonna mix a bit.
My face is massive. That's a lot of makeup.
A lot of space to covered. A lot of what? Wait, a lot of... There's a joke there somewhere. Got a lot of real estate to... Never mind. I am gonna bring a little bit of this foundation, usually whatever's left down your neck, just cause like, then you won't have a line. I was just saying to Desi, this foundation looks really good on her skin. Next thing I do after foundation, concealer. I switch between two, so I have like the Kim Kardashian one and I have the Tarte one, but I'm gonna use the Tarte one on you cause that's what I wore today. Keep your eyes up. Desi's got some creasy under eyes, so keep them up until I powder. So I think I'm gonna bake you. Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. I actually really like this stuff. I don't know, I just put it on this thing. Real makeup artist hours. I got it all over your shirt. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Time to bronze. We're using the Becca bronzer. I love this. Look at this packaging. This is in the color Capri Coast. This is how makeup artists do it, right? They're like breathing in your face. Get that neck. It's a necessity.
It's not Project Tan Desi yet.
Then I take that same color on a like contour brush thingy. I'm not that great at makeup on other people, but you look fine. This is blush she uses anyways. We use the same blush. I feel like I'm just going very heavy-handed.
Nah.
Then we are going to highlight. We're using this Pixie Subtle Sunrise. We have to bake again. How long have we been friends for?
12 years old? I don't know, how old are you in grade 7?
Don't ask me hard questions. She's good at this.
14, 8, yeah, 12. It's through 12.
We are old now. Don't ask our age. And how did we meet?
School.
Why don't you tell them what I was wearing first day of grade 7?
Oh my god. It was fake suede.
Yeah.
It was beige and the top matched the bottoms.
Very on brand with who I am now, isn't it? You were like rocker chick. Very not, we did not think that would be a friendship.
No.
But I liked, we liked like the same bands, but like I liked those bands. I just, like I was this country girl. I was just like living in the country. I didn't have like band merch. I wasn't like exposed to like people that maybe liked alternative bands. But I knew that I liked these specific bands because my brother did. I remember like listening to them on like the downstairs computer. So like, even though I didn't look like I listened to Good Charlotte and Simple Plan or whatever, I did. But Desi looked like she listened to those bands.
Yeah. The outside reflected.
And then I met Desi and I was like, oh, this is how people that like that stuff dress. And then you switched me.
Oh no.
Yeah. Dickies and
band tees.
And
don't forget the wallet with the chain.
Oh god, I remember that wallet of yours.
You had one too.
Oh, did we have matching wallets? The Good Charlotte one?
I think, yeah. And then cool cuffs with studs.
So our love for Good Charlotte.
Simple Plan and Blink-182.
That was it. That was the magic trio. Oh man, this is hard. They don't look good.
Cause I like
she uses a pencil and
I
like,
straight draw them on.
Okay, we're not doing that. This part looks good because I'm right-handed. Okay, I think I need to do this. Now look up. No more. This helps. It looks more like me, but it looks not like you. Dog burps.
Totally going to work with this look.
Oh, you are? Shit. What time do you work at?
11.
You could look worse. Normally I just start off by putting one base like color over the eye that's kind of close to my skin tone. Can you do your own mascara?
Yeah.
Okay. You can use whichever of these two you want, because I normally would do either one. This is like the first sun we have seen in months.
Don't let that fool you, it's also -10.
Mm-hmm. Freezing outside. It's all a lie.
4-year-old Desi would dress in shorts and a t-shirt because the sun was out, meaning it's hot out.
Now I have to do freckles. Okay, now it's creepy. Now it's creepy. Lips. Open. I recently learned how to use a big girl curling iron. Do I know how to use it on other people? No. I hope you don't get burnt. Put it on. Pull. Turn. Pull. Turn. Pull. Turn. Pull. Turn.
And wait.
And then let it out. This is my dream hair. Desi's hair is my dream hair. It is so the perfect length. It is just the perfect color. And it's real. Like,
it's attached to my skull.
There's nothing better than having no extensions. Like,
and it's not dyed.
Okay, well why don't you just go frick yourself? Favorite hairspray right now is by Marc Anthony. Bye Bye Frizz Humidity Shield Hairspray. This stuff smells amazing.
Oh yeah, I've smelled it before.
I think I'm going to curl it a second time. Just because I feel like it will hold it now. I should have put texturizer in it before, but that's fine. Made Desi turn around. I know you guys are sick of seeing her face. Curling someone else's hair is hard. Doing someone else's makeup is also hard. It's all just hard. Pull it as you go. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it.
I was
pull
just
it,
gonna
pass
say.
it. This.
Freaky.
It's creepy. Now that we are looking somewhat similar, your eyebrows are much lighter than mine.
Yeah, same product.
Same product, but
Weird.
much lighter. So now we are going to try to recreate this photograph. Desi actually took this of me a couple days ago. So we're gonna put Desi in that outfit and we're gonna go vlog trying to take that same photo. Okay, you guys ready for this grand reveal that is literally Desi? Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. I just told her, I was like, you could totally pull off 70s, 60s hippie princess. I'm like, you look so good, but it's probably because I'm like, I love your hair, I love your makeup, I love your coat.
Your outfit's great.
How did you think of that? Oh my gosh, this is so bizarre. Your mom would love this.
She would.
She would love
She'd
this.
the hell out of this.
Oh my god. This is the photo that we're gonna try to recreate. I just showed you guys. And we'll see if this works. Oh my goodness. You look great! Okay, we have come out to the location to where we shot this photo, which was in my backyard. It's very cold. Doesn't Desi look so good? So yeah, we just shot this over here in my backyard. Literally, I had to stand in that big puddle. You ready for this? Your makeup looks so good. Oh, it's so cold. It's like ice.
I was just expecting to step
Your highlight looks good.
popping.
Yeah. These are great. All right, here is the final photo. The lighting was completely different on the day we did Desi's. Like, it was very sunny and we pretty much shot this in the shade. Whereas on the day we did mine, it was literally almost raining. So the lighting was a little off. We didn't shoot it in the same spot because where that spot was super sunny, as you guys saw. So this is like the closest we could get, but this is amazing and I love this so much, and this was such a fun thing to do, and I think the photo came out really well. Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you so much. We'll see you in the next one.